Hello and welcome. Today, Professional Insurance Programs presents Disability Insurance 101, Protecting Your Most Valuable Asset. We're going to walk through the basics of disability insurance, what it is, why it matters, and how you can make sure you're adequately protected. Let's get started. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover. Why disability insurance is important, especially for professionals. The different types of disability insurance available. Key features to understand when evaluating a policy, how to evaluate your current coverage, and finally, how we at Professional Insurance Programs can support you. Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury. Think of it as a financial safety net. It helps maintain your lifestyle and protects your savings when your ability to earn an income is impacted. And perhaps most importantly, it gives you peace of mind during your recovery. As professionals, our ability to earn an income is our most valuable asset. The average person will earn over $2 million in their lifetime. Protecting that stream of income is critical. Disability insurance helps ensure you can keep up with everyday expenses and continue saving for long-term goals like retirement, even if a health issue disrupts your ability to work. Long-term disability often kicks in after a short-term disability ends. It offers extended protection anywhere from several months to even up to retirement. It typically replaces 60 to 70% of your income and is absolutely essential for serious or chronic conditions. If there's one type of disability insurance to prioritize, it's long-term coverage. Imagine being out of work for 6 months during cancer treatment. Long-term disability insurance helps make sure the bills still get paid. Other examples may be a recovery from a significant back injury, or if you're diagnosed with a degenerative disease. These are life-altering events that require time away from work, and long-term disability insurance is what helps keep your finances on track. Short-term disability insurance is also helpful, particularly for things like maternity leave, minor surgeries, or short-term illnesses. It usually covers you for 3 to 6 months. Short-term disability and long-term disability insurance often work together. One doesn't replace the other. While short-term disability insurance is a nice benefit to have, it doesn't replace the need for long-term coverage. Now let's talk about group versus individual policies. Group plans are typically provided by employers. They're often affordable but come with limitations. For example, they may not be portable if you change jobs. Individual policies offer coverage that is more reliable and comprehensive. They stay with you no matter where your career takes you. When reviewing a policy, there are 4 key features to understand. The elimination period, how long you must wait before benefits kick in. The benefit amount, typically 60 to 70% of your income. The benefit duration is how long you'll receive payments. The definition of disability, some policies cover you if you can't work your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work any occupation. With an own occupation policy, you're covered if you can't do your specific job, even if you could technically work in another field. An insurance advisor like our team at Professional Insurance Programs can go over all this with you and help you understand these key features. Let's bust a few common misconceptions about disability insurance. Myth number 1. I have enough in savings. The reality is that most people's savings would only last a few weeks, not months or years. A long-term disability can quickly drain your emergency fund and derail your financial stability. Myth number 2. Workers' comp will take care of me. Workers' compensation only covers injuries that happen on the job. It doesn't help if you become ill or get injured outside of work, which is actually where most disabilities occur. Myth number 3. It won't happen to me. Unfortunately, it's more common than you might think. Statistics show that 1 in 4 workers will experience a disability before they reach retirement age. It's not just rare accidents, it can be illness, injury, or chronic conditions that interrupt your ability to earn an income. Getting coverage early pays off. Premiums are lower when you're younger and healthier, and once you lock in your policy, you're covered, even if health issues arise later. Think of it as securing your future at today's price. Now's a great time to take a closer look at your current coverage. Check what your employer provides and any policies you own. Calculate what percentage of your income is protected. Review how long the benefits would last. And look for any coverage gaps that could leave you vulnerable. If you don't know the answer to one of these points, it's a great time to do a review. Understanding disability insurance can be overwhelming, but that's where we come in. At Professional Insurance Programs, our goal is to make sure you're confident in your coverage and fully protected. Here's how we can help. Free policy reviews. We'll take a thorough look at any existing disability policies you have, whether employer-sponsored or individual, to help you understand exactly what's covered and where you may have gaps. Side-by-side coverage comparisons. We'll break down the details of various plans, carriers, and policy features so you can see how they stack up and make an informed decision with clarity. Personalized recommendations. No two professionals are alike. We'll tailor our guidance to your career, income, and future goals, whether you're just starting out or preparing for retirement. Claims assistance. If you ever need to file a claim, we're by your side. We'll walk you through the process and advocate on your behalf to help ensure a smooth experience. Ongoing support. As your career evolves, through promotions, life changes, or job transitions, we're here to adjust your coverage and keep you protected every step of the way. Disability insurance isn't a one-time decision. It's an important part of your long-term financial wellness, and we're committed to helping you manage it with confidence. Thank you for joining us for Disability Insurance 101. Your income is your most valuable asset. Make sure it's protected. To get started, use the QR code, give us a call at 800-637-4676, email us at info@profinsprog.com, or visit our website, insuranceformembers.com. We're here to help you protect what matters most. Don't wait. Let's get your safety net in place today.